My name is Steve Burkew. I'm a co-owner of Book People in Austin, Texas, and president of the American Booksellers Association. And I'm just basically here in support of sales tax fairness. This has been a continuing issue in my business and in all of retail that I'm aware of. It's critically important for all of us to have a level playing field, to be able to finally compete with people on the exact same basis. And there's absolutely no reason whatsoever to have any group of retailers in some way excluded from that obligation.
My name is Kathy Berner from Blue Willow Bookshop in Houston, Texas, and I think sales tax fairness is a critical issue for booksellers because when you sell something and you collect sales tax on it, that means that your community gets playgrounds. It means your community gets roads. It means in Houston, Texas, hurricane support. It means up north, salt when it's snowing in April. It means so many different things, and maybe our customers don't know that because they're looking at the bottom line, which we certainly understand and appreciate. But what's important is how we serve our community, our kids, our families, and everyone who's there.
I'm Becky Anderson from Anderson's Bookshops. We have stores in Naperville, Downers Grove, and Aurora, Illinois, just west of Chicago. And I want to speak very strongly about the fairness of internet sales tax and what it means to my community, what it means to my business, but what it means to small business everywhere. We are the support of our community. We employ so many people. But when you keep business in our community by making the playing level, fair for everyone, it means that dollars will circulate more, we employ more people, and those companies that aren't collecting sales tax but are doing business in my community are not doing anything to support my community. And that's what we do. That's what independent businesses do in our community. We support everything that makes community. And when we don't have that, then we're all going to lose out and life will not be as rich. So supporting internet sales tax is essential to the way dollars are circulated, but also to employ so many people in independent businesses around this country, but also to make it fair for all of us that are in business.
My name is Matt Norcross. I'm the owner of McLean Aiken Booksellers. And sales tax fairness is important to me because small businesses like ours are essential to the tax base of our communities.
I'm Lisa Bedoin. I'm at Books & Company in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin, and I want to talk about tax fairness. I feel that in this day and age, with the amount of technology and software available, there's no reason why the internet companies cannot collect the same sales tax that we do. It gives them an unfair advantage that they don't have to collect it. It also really hurts our communities, and it doesn't support the people that need the tax revenue the most. So I feel that the tax fairness is an important bill to pass. It serves the people, the voters, the best if it is collected by all corporations, whether they're online or they have brick and mortar stores.
My name is John Evans. I'm from Diesel Bookstore. We have 4 bookstores in California. We all need to call our legislators, email our legislators to get a fair sales tax policy in each of our separate states to preserve our main streets.
My name is Sarah Bagby. I'm the owner of Watermark Books and Cafe in Wichita, Kansas. Sales tax equity is very important to me, my business, and my community. In terms of my business, I have to have a level playing field so that all retailers are playing by the same rules, being taxed fairly and consistently, so that I compete without someone else having basically a 10% advantage over me. To my community, it's important because sales tax are collected to provide for the infrastructure of our communities, and local communities are so important to every town.
My name is Valerie Kaler, and I own Blue Willow Bookshop in Houston, Texas. And I feel that it is very important that all retailers collect sales tax. In the state of Texas, we do not have income tax. So sales tax is very important to the running of the local, county, city, state, everything that we do, whether it's the roads, the schools, whatever it is, we need sales tax to support that. Whatever we do in this world, we need to support wherever we live, and that's the important part about collecting sales tax, especially in Texas.
My name is Jonathan Welch from Talking Leaves Bookstore in Buffalo, New York, and I just wanted to encourage my fellow booksellers and constituents in this industry to encourage their state legislators to work to pass the Main Street Sales Tax Fairness Act, which I think would help level the playing field for our businesses and make this a fairer, juster world and a place where our success would be more assured.
I'm Betsy Burton from the King's English Bookshop in Salt Lake City, and the other thing that I would love to say a word about is e-fairness, because it seems like it could be at a tipping point in Congress right now, and somebody from our state, Jason Chavitz, has changed his mind about it, and he likes it. And the fact that we could begin to compete on a more level playing field with the internet would make a huge difference to every bookstore in the country. So for those of you out there in bookselling world who are not engaged in this fight, become engaged, because if you're engaged at the community level, you can change the minds of people at the national level.